load.
Watch the starboard side, clear the deck.
Copy that, all clear.
The pressure in the primary coolant loop is fluctuating beyond spec.
I see it. We need to isolate sector gamma right now. What about the secondary system bypass valve?
Look at this specific valve assembly on the schematic.
Right, I'll annotate the required pressure adjustment here. This ensures system stability.
We need to reinforce this section of the steam line immediately.
I agree. I'll mark it for priority inspection.
This valve assembly needs to be upgraded before we dock.
I agree. The current specs won't handle the pressure long term.
Check the alignment on sector gamma against the schematic.
It's within tolerance, but the thermal readings are high.
The wiring harness on Charlie 3 looks frayed.
Agreed. Document the discrepancy and prep the replacement unit.
The wiring harness looks good, but this relay switch shows signs of corrosion.
Copy that. We'll need to replace the unit before reassembly.
Torque is holding steady on the primary coupling.
Confirmed. I'm uploading the inspection data now. Component looks structurally sound for the next phase.
Verify the torque settings on page 42.
Confirmed. Proceeding with disassembly sequence Echo 7. Initiate diagnostic sequence on Launcher 2.
Cables connected. Power stabilizing.
Check status on vector controls.
Run the diagnostic again, verify the couplings.
Heave. Slack on line 3.
All secure on the fantail, Captain.
Run the diagnostics again on Sector 4.
Copy that, running full systems check.
Calibration successful, readings are nominal.
Frequency alignment confirmed.
Initiating power sequence.
Main engineering. We are ready to commence propulsion testing on Shaft 3.
Acknowledged. Stand by for spin up.
Flight deck control, run the cycle test on emails, confirm status.
Roger that. Initiating launch sequence simulation now.
Crane operator, hoist the container on my mark.
Hoist acknowledged. Moving now.
All hands, man your stations for docking.
Lines 5 and 6, ready to receive.
Steady as she goes, Captain. Pass the aft spring line to the bollard quickly now.
Aye, securing line 3.
Aegis system is green across the board.
Confirming VLS continuity check complete.
Aegis system showing full power initialization. Copy that. MK41 diagnostic cycle initiated. Stand by for conduit connection. Multimeter reading is stable on circuit 7.
Good. Proceeding with conduit connection to the primary control unit.
Hold attention on line 3.
Hi, Captain. Bringing her alongside now.
Engine room, slow ahead 1/3.
R1 status check complete. Initiating system reset now.
Confirmed. Optics are green across the board. Logging the data.
Clear the bay for the next shipment of munitions. Forklift 3, move Delta Cargo to position 7.
Watch your footing. Keep it steady as she goes. All clear on the starboard side. Coming through. Engage the lever. Steady, steady. All right, move it forward slowly. Confirmed, moving forward. Watch the clearance on the tracks. All right, easy push. Keep it centered on the yellow line. Steady. Rolling up the ramp now. Watch your spacing. Secure the load once inside. Watch the clearance on the starboard side. Clear on starboard. Keep it coming.
All teams report readiness for deployment.
Cargo secured, systems check complete.
Acknowledged. Powering up the craft, staying clear of the skirt.
Final pallet secure. Ready for launch.
Bridge. Recommend adjusting course 2 degrees port.
Slack on line 3, heave around on line 5.
Hi, Captain. Holding strain on all forward lines.
Stern secure, docking complete.
Take the strain on line 5.
Aye, strain on 5. Check the tension on the forward lines.
All lines steady, Captain. Mooring complete.
Tension on the stern line, all hands stand clear.
Aye, tension acknowledged. Maintain steady pressure.
Avast heaving on line 5. Hold the tension.
Holding tension, sir.
All sections, report status green. All stations, maintainer presence confirmed on the flight deck. Proceed with system checks.
Navigation confirmed, status green.
All right, secure that panel on the emails connection point.
Copy that. Moving to secure point 3 now.
Adjust the frequency modulation here.
Setting authorized. Calibration sequence initiated.
System check complete. Console is green.
Confirm the connection status on the modernized propulsion units.
Propulsion checks complete. Moving to align the primary navigation array.
Tension on line 5. All right, tensioning now. Hold fast on the forward lines.
Electrical conduit 3 is locked in.
Confirmed. Check the comms connections.
Comms are green, Admiral.
Confirming power coupling sequence initiated. Systems green across the board. Ready for transfer. Acknowledged. Energizing shore power.
Look at the conduit shielding right here.
Minor abrasion, but within tolerance.
Log it for the next dry dock, but it holds for now.
Preserving the legacy of the USS Nimitz here at Subic Bay allows us to remember the critical role it played in maintaining security in the South China Sea. The legacy of the U.S. Navy at Subic Bay underscores its pivotal role in securing the vital waterways of the South China Sea.
Check the alignment on Gimbal 5 and confirm the inertial dampeners are secure.
Gimbal 5 aligned, dampeners locked. Status is green, sir.
Calibration sequence initiated on Sector 4.
Acknowledged. Reading stabilizing.
Inspecting the EMOS launch valve assembly now. Check the tension settings. We had an anomaly on the last cycle.
Confirming system stabilization. Running diagnostics now. Power levels look good. Antenna array positioning is locked.
Line 3, take the strain.
All right, strain coming on line 3.
All lines accounted for. Secure the tow. Finish with engines.
Systems nominal. Clear for launch.
Final checks complete. Launch the aircraft.
Heave the line 5. Slack the forward spring. All lines accounted for. Make it fast.
Stern line 6, secure. All ahead slow. Flight deck is clear for launch operations. Stand by the catapult.
Clear the deck. We're moving the Hornet now. Roger that. Brakes released on the tractor.
Stern line 6 is secure. Acknowledged. Commence resupply lift number 1.
Crane operator, slow your descent.
Bridge, tug 3, pushing forward.
Copy that. Maintain pressure.
All lines secure on the fantail.
Barry, secure the forward lines.
Carl Vinson, maneuver team standing by.
Tug 1, push harder on the starboard side.
Bridge, tugs are secured forward, standing by your orders. Copy that.
Helm, steady on course 270.
Aye, Captain. Bringing her around. Take the strain on line 5. Ensure it is secured to the bollard.
All right, secure that panel.
Securing panel 3 now.
Diagnostics are green on the Aegis system.
Helm, center your rudder. All engines stop. Tugboats, maintain pressure midship.
Start the drill sequence now.
Copy that. Impact wrench engaged. Bolt secured.
Strategic naval power projection arrives at Subic Bay. The USS Nimitz class demonstrates
The Nimitz class carrier asserts strategic naval power, showcasing its massive scale during complex docking procedures here in Subic Bay.
Ensure all navigation systems are green before we undock.
Acknowledged, Captain. Engineers confirm full operational status on propulsion.
The USS Nimitz class carrier, a symbol of strategic naval power, departs Subic Bay, asserting presence in the South China Sea.